Friends, we are going to start with Science 1 new chapter, Reflection of Light. In this chapter, we are going to see is your introduction, what is refraction of light, laws of refraction, refractive index, and media and medium to which it requires to light. So before going to the chapter, let us see what the light is. Now, everyone can see me, everyone can watch videos, you can watch movies, correct? You can watch four walls around your home. Nowadays, you are not in school, so you cannot watch school, correct? So you can see because of your eyes, but to make it visible, that is nothing but your light. Your light makes the object visible by your eyes. So any object you can see because of light. Now let us take an example, simple example. At night in the darkness, correct, we cannot see any object. Whenever there is no lights, nothing, so what we happen, we try to huddle here and there. So that is nothing but we cannot see any object because there is no light falling on it, though we have a clear visibility of eye in it. So that is nothing but light is one of the important medium to look the object from one place to another. But what exactly the light is? So light is nothing but, we are in the introduction part now. Light is nothing but it is a form of electromagnetic wave which transmit from one medium to another. That means light travels from one wave to another. Now at home you can see your four walls, you can see upstairs fans, correct? You can see down floor. So that is nothing but the light is getting put in it. Now during the daytime there is a sunlight, during the night time there are artificial tube lights, bulbs, etc. Correct? So what exactly light? How does it comes? How does it fall? That part we are going to see. So let us see few more concepts about lights. Now suppose this is a medium. Now let me clear you what is medium. Anything which falls on the object which it falls, that is said to be your medium. Correct? So your light gets passed over here. Correct? This light gets either it passes from the medium or it reflects back. Whenever it reflects back, it is said to be reflection. It is said to be reflection. Whenever it passes, it is said to be your refraction. It is said to be your refraction. So whenever the light pass in the medium, this is said to be your eye. That is said to be your angle of incidence. Angle of incidence, where this angle is created through which the light is passing through a medium. This is said to be your angle of refraction. This is said to be your angle of refraction, and this is said to be your angle of reflection. Correct? So in this chapter we are going to see is incidence angle, angle of reflection. So this concept is said to be your refraction of light. Below we are given an experiment or activity onto your page, textbook page number 73. That part in the practical section we are going to see. Now let us proceed towards the second point, laws of refraction. So what are reflection? Now let us see this part. Now this is a cube given to us, correct? So this is said to be your normal. This is said to be your normal. A light passes, this is your angle I, that is incident. The light bends, this is said to be your angle R, correct? This is incidence, this is what we can say refracted, this is normal. So angle I, angle R, incidence, refraction and normal lie in the same plane. This is your first law. Repeating once again, angle I, incidence, angle R, refraction and normal lie in the same plane. Correct? This is your first law. Second law states that sine I upon sine R equal to constant. Now what this sine I, sine R are? Now sine is concept in a trigonometry. That part we are going to see in a geometry. So these are for the angles. But I and R are incident and refractive index angle, which is equal to constant. So there are two laws. So first was they lie in the same plane. Correct? Second is sine I upon sine R is equal to constant. This was your second law. Now let us see another part, that is nothing but your refractive index. Now very good part of that refractive index. In your childhood days we have seen the story of greedy dog. A dog sees the chapati, Same chapati shadow he sees. So that is nothing but the chapati which is in the straight line. वो जो रोटी होती है वो straight line में उसको थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी लगती है. That is nothing but it bends towards it. That concept is said to be refractive index. So that is nothing but any object when the medium changes, it slightly bends. That is said to be your refractive index. Now, what it happens whenever there is a normal, this is your angle of incidence, that is I, and angle of R, that is nothing but it bends, that is said to be your refractive index. So that is nothing but refractive index is given by symbol object 1 to 2. Whenever a light is passing normal, that is nothing but light passes through what we can say air or whatever medium it may be, atmosphere, upon to what object it reflected. Suppose it reflected to water, second object, upon light passing through your water. So this becomes your first and this becomes your second. This ratio is said to be your refractive index. This ratio is said to be your refractive index. Let us take second one more practical example of it. Nowadays in your childhood days or now too you play with laser light. Correct? Whenever laser light is beamed, there is a breeze or around anything medium, the light bends towards the sometimes inwards or towards the outwards. That is said to be in your textbook, proper word is given oblique. Oblique means that is bending towards inwards. That is said to be your refractive index. That part is said to be your refractive index. Now media and medium, as discussed by you. Now light is passing, correct? It requires an atmosphere or a air. Correct? But when it comes to a somewhat medium or a media, it bends towards or away, or it may sometimes be straight. Correct? It may be towards, away, or straight. That is said to be your medium part. That is refractive index of a light towards the medium or a media. So that is nothing but we can explain you in this way. So this is nothing but this is again this is your normal. Light is incident. Correct? Sometimes it bends, that is said to be towards. Sometimes it goes away, that is oblique, little away. Sometimes the light comes straight, it is said to towards it. So according to the medium, it varies accordingly. Please read page number, textbook page number 73, 74 and 75. Later, applications of refraction of light, that is twinkling of star, polarization of light, that part we are going to see in next lecture. Thank you.